How to convert USDT to INR in Binance. So if you want to convert USDT to INR in your Binance, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Binance application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to just go with the bottom or the top left, which has that Binance icon. And here you need to scroll down and go with more services. And here you will have convert option. So you just need to simply scroll down and find the convert section under your trade. So tap on convert. And here you need to enter your from address and then to address. So from you can choose USDT and to address you need to choose INR. And once you enter that, you can just go with your balance. In my case, I don't have available balance. So if you have your balance, you can just simply enter the amount and then you can go with trade. And in this way, you'll be able to convert your USDT to INR in your Binance. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.